This is my program.
You have created this in Python, Harsh?
Yes. This is Siri. So if you press 1, it will tell you her name. It's asking how it is. V is for what is Minecraft.
Okay,
4
3
is
to
for
ask what is Minecraft. Done.
Yes, ma'am. And 4 is for what is Roblox.
Okay, what is Roblox? Okay.
5 is to check if it's even or odd. So if I enter 3, it will say it's odd number.
Okay, 3 is an odd number, right?
6, enter number 8. I will enter 3 and 4. 3 is smaller than 4.
Okay, 6 is to check if a number A is bigger, equal or smaller than B, right?
Yes. 7 is a number to check if it's prime or not. So if I enter 10, it will say it's not a prime number.
Right.
8 is to know the area of square, rectangle, circle, or square, rectangle, circle, or triangle.
Okay.
So if I say to check it for square, it will ask the length 5.
Okay. Area of the square is 20. F the side is 5, right?
And for rectangle, it will ask you the breadth and length.
Very good.
For circle,
Good.
and for triangle.
Right, beta.
9, to know if the word or sentence is palindrome. So if I enter Bob, it is a palindrome. But if
Palindrome,
I
okay.
enter something random, it will say it's not.
Okay, what is a palindrome, Harsh?
Ma'am, palindrome is something, if you reverse it, it will be the same
It
word
will be the same, right?
or not.
Good. Like 1 to 1. If you will reverse that 1 to 1, it would be same, right?
Yes. So this will tell your length of the sentence. It includes the spaces. So
Includes the
I say
spaces.
hi,
Okay.
name is Harsh. Hi, my name. It will say 10 is length of the sentence.
Good.
12, it will reverse the sentence over. I'll say PHS, so it will say SHK. So whatever I will say, the CD will say. So if I say hi, then it will say hi too. 14 is to know the names of Prime Minister of Canada, India, Australia, America, Japan, China, or Iran. So if I'll say Canada, it will say Justin Trudeau.
Right.
2, if I say 14, 2, it will tell India's Prime Minister is Narendra Modi.
Done, beta.
Australia's Prime Minister, and so on.
Done, bache. Good.
And 15 to exit.
15
Okay.
to exit. Very good, beta. Good, beta. Good. Good job done.